Malaking binitawan netong si Soto sa isang panayam matapos ng opisyal na i-trade ng Hiroshima 2 days ago dito sa koponan ng Yokohama. Yan ay matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bularo, paniguradong isa ka rin sa mga natuwa dito sa malaking panalo na nauwi ng Lakers kontra Hornets. Especially na after ng kanilang heartbreaking loss kalaban ng Boston last Christmas game, sa wakas ay muling nagawa ng koponan ni Bron na makabalik sa panalo. Kung saan ang nasabing laban, pinangunahan nga ni Anthony Davis matapos tong makapagtala ng 26 points at 8 rebounds. Isama pa natin, eto ring 4 blocks na kanyang nakana sa nasabing tapatan na talaga namang mas lalong nagpahirap sa Hornets, especially sa third and final quarter.
It feels good. Playing with pace, sharing the basketball. Guys playing for each other, playing the right way. And even though we had some turnovers where, we're trying to make the right play, do the right thing, you can live with those. So, we talked about it before the game, just sharing the basketball, making the right pass, someone in front of you, throw it ahead and let your teammate make a play, and it carried over tonight to the game.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, 2 days ago nga mga bulero, matapos opisyal na pakawala ng Hiroshima itong si Kai at mapunta sa koponan ng Yokohama, mamaya nga mga bulero, alas 2 ng hapon, inaasahan ang kanyang debut game sa nasabing koponan dito sa magaganap nilang laban kontra Mikawa. Pero bago mangyari yan, ating silipin muna etong malaking binitawan ni Soto sa isang panayam sa kabila ng pagbitaw sa kanya ng Hiroshima.
Very excited. I'm very blessed to be given this opportunity. Coming off an injury is pretty difficult, but just to see the trust that this team have for me gives me more energy to just go out and give my best to help this team win more games. So very excited. Obviously, with my size, my length, I'm always a presence inside, offensively and defensively. Defensively, I always want to protect the paint as a big guy, having to be there to be the last line of defense, to be there to protect my teammates. Offensively, I can pretty much score from inside and out, so I just have to play well with my teammates, and I think the past practices we've been doing good as a team. So I can't wait to get on the floor, play the game, because I think we'll do better.